Working on this '05 Sunfire. It's had some starting issues and some electrical issues in the dash lights going out when driving, and very hard starting, like the timing belt jumped. Anyways, as you can see, I got my multimeter out and we found some unusual readings in the voltages when we measured voltage on the top of the valve cover. And to the negative, there was a voltage drop, and we found that the negative terminal was badly corroded. So it actually was broken, as you can see that. So replacing this negative kernel, you can get an OEM cable, or you can make your own, or they do make an aftermarket cable. Just replace that negative cable from the battery down to the battery tray, and then it goes over to a little stud underneath in there. Replace that cable, and I'm hoping everything's going to be perfect in this car after that, and I'll let you know shortly.